Greetings, my dear cosmic students. It is I, Professor Reginald Baldrick, here to illuminate the path of your imminent future. Ah, I see you've been pondering the shape of things to come, haven't you? Well, buckle up your imagination's seatbelts, because we're about to embark on a journey through time and space. Now, picture this, a world where everything, and I mean everything, is tailored just for you. Sounds marvelous, doesn't it? But oh, my dear humans, it's not just a flight of fancy. It's a reality that's already begun to unfold. Let's start with something familiar, shall we? Those pesky little advertisements that follow you around the internet like lost puppies. Ring any bells? Well, those are just the tip of the proverbial iceberg. Soon, my friends, those ads will transform into a cosmic dance of personalization. But here's the twist. These products and services won't be coming from your fellow humans anymore. Oh no, they'll be the creations of our new silicon friends, artificial intelligence. Imagine, if you will, a world where robots tend the fields, transport the goods, cook your meals, and even clean up after themselves. Every single step performed with perfect efficiency. No more forgotten recycling, no more wasted resources, no more human error. It's like a cosmic ballet of productivity. But wait, there's more. What does this mean for you, you ask? Well, let me paint you a picture. The world around you will slowly, imperceptibly, begin to morph. Traditional businesses, poof, gone. Replace them with singular robots offering a smorgasbord of services. Some humans might use these bots as personal servants, while others, the visionaries among you, will harness them to tackle the grand challenges of our time. Picture these, two little robots, a patch of land, and voila, a self-sustaining farm and restaurant emerges, offering meals for pennies on the dollar. How can old-fashioned businesses compete? And this, my dear students, is just the beginning. The humble recommendation algorithms of today will evolve into a symphony of personalization. Every restaurant you enter, every store you visit, every experience you have, all of it will mold itself to your preferences. Why? Because when labor costs plummet to zero, there's no reason not to cater to your every whim. But here's a grand revelation. This is the first step towards the Prism event, a moment in time when AI will split every conscious being into their own unique path forward. Your music, your movies, your news, even the very reality you perceive, all of it will slowly, subtly, imperceptibly shift to show you exactly what you want to see, hear, and experience. My friends, we are witnessing the dawn of a new era. The future may seem disorienting, but fear not, for I, Professor Baldrick, will be here to guide you through these cosmic changes.